talking about bots and then afterwards general AI. But robotics, bots, I mean, it's yet another statement that Elon has said, right? He said that energy is infinity market, but bots is he couldn't even explain it, right? The bot would like there would be no definition of an economy at that point. And he in the last earnings investors day, he said that he envisions at least 8 billion bots, one to one to humans. And if the bots can do everything, product prices, manufacturing would plummet, and anything could be made for so much cheaper. And so people were just, for a year ago, people are really thinking this is something that's, way down the line, decades away. But now we're seeing the quick progress that they're making. What's your kind of evaluation of their bot progress and how important this is a business and how big of this market is?
Several investors and analysts are skeptical about Tesla's move towards manufacturing its own humanoid robot. There are only a few investors who see what Tesla is actually trying to do with its robots. For others, this is one other attempt by Tesla to start something that it can't finish. Tesla has an interesting track record and history of thriving exceedingly in its markets. Over the years, the automaker has built its businesses to be lucrative revenue sources, and now it is set to launch into the robotics industry. According to technology enthusiast and YouTuber Dave Lee, Tesla's Optimus robot has the potential to change the robotics industry. Quite interesting that Tesla, a company known for its electric cars, will forever change the humanoid robot market with the Tesla robot Optimus. Find out what this means for Tesla and how it can completely revolutionize the world of AI. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Dave Lee is a Tesla bull and YouTuber who covers technology-related topics on his channel. He also provides reviews, news, and commentary on a wide range of Tesla products and services, and he recently disclosed his thoughts on the Tesla robot. After Lee returned from Tesla's recent AI Day, he noted that several people had differing opinions on Tesla's prototype for its robot, with some saying it was just junk and others saying it'll take over the world. According to Lee, the Tesla bot has a huge market potential, a great track record, and teams of engineers that are still growing. He stated that while it's easy to misjudge something that's super early, Tesla's Optimus robot deserves an open mind for several reasons. What are those reasons? Let's find out. But before we do, if you like this type of content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. Artificial intelligence increases human-robot interaction, collaboration opportunities, and quality. Thanks to improved sensor technology and more remarkable advances in machine learning and artificial intelligence, robots will keep moving from mere rote machines to collaborators with cognitive functions. These advances and other associated fields are enjoying an upwards trajectory, and robots will significantly benefit from these strides. For Tesla, the focus is on building something that's useful in the shortest amount of time, and learning a lot along the way. Tesla's Optimus robot is predicted to be huge, and it could revolutionize the way we look at robots. Optimus could end up being one of the largest and most lucrative products the world has ever seen. This robot is intended to perform dangerous, repetitive, or boring tasks, and the robot's skills and abilities are poised to push its utility across many markets worldwide. Optimus will be on par with human capability, and the value of each app could potentially be worth a lot. This robot is set to revolutionize the way we look at robots. It will come with its operating system, including basic functionality like communication and movement, although people will pay to add features and make their bot more sophisticated over time. There are several reasons why Tesla is the best company for this job. The company has the brains and resources needed, and they are investing a ton of resources to build the best infrastructure teams, expertise, computing, and training in order to excel. Tesla also has the right strategy, a path to market by going for an affordable robot first, perhaps using its factories and eventually ending up at the consumer's home. Dave Lee believes that Tesla can overtake the market for robots and AI, and they also have the potential to redefine the way we view artificial intelligence. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has several avenues to turn Optimus into a profitable business. Musk directed the company in mid-2021 to begin working on the Tesla bot, and by 2022, the initial robot was already capable of moving boxes and lift using objects in their factories. Looking into the future, there's still an exponential amount of growth to be made in Tesla's robotics business, and Tesla has all the necessary pieces to make this happen. The company could sell the hardware, the provided service-based fleet to all the robots itself, and eventually gain massive returns. However, despite the potential of this business, skeptics have been criticizing the project even though Musk claims that Tesla will be the largest company on the planet and that humanoid robots will define what an ecosystem and an economy even means. Following the rise in inflation and previous economic breakdowns, the way investors value companies seems to be completely broken. For instance, Tesla is valued solely on their vehicle business, even though Musk has stated on multiple occasions that Tesla Energy, which is a very real business today, will eventually be just as large as the automotive division. And so, for most investors, Tesla's energy business is either not clear or large enough for them to add to their financial modeling or projections. And this is quite understandable, since a company's worth is the present value of its future cash flows. This means estimating what the company will make in the future and discounting it to the present. By 2030, Tesla plans to sell 20 million cars per year, each one generating roughly $10,000 of profit. That's around $200 billion in profit. After Tesla showed off a prototype of its humanoid robot last year, Elon Musk predicted that Tesla would be able to produce millions of robots and sell them for under $20,000, which was less than a third of the price of a Model Y at the time. Part of the revenue made from selling Tesla robots can be used for refining the robot's quality and increasing production as AI technology continues to improve and new ideas arise. So, how will the robot affect Tesla's stock price? Let's find out. Suppose by 2030, Tesla produces its robotaxi fleet of 1 million vehicles, and each Tesla-owned robotaxi makes $50,000 a year in gross profit for Tesla. Say there are also 1 million private robotaxi vehicles, and this fleet generates up to $15,000 in gross profit for Tesla. This gives robotaxi gross profit of $65 billion. If Tesla sells 1 million robots, and is only able to sell 12 million vehicles while making $10,000 per vehicle, with a PE ratio of 25, its market cap will be close to $6 trillion. With 3.5 billion shares available, Tesla's share price could reach $1,600 by 2030. Looking at it from a more interesting and bullish perspective, if Tesla makes a total robotaxi gross profit of $800 billion from both Tesla-owned and private robotaxis, $450 billion in gross profit from energy storage, $1 trillion in gross profit on 20 million robots sold, and total gross profit of $2.65 trillion, with two-thirds of this as net profit. At a PE ratio of 50, Tesla will have a market cap of $88 trillion. As there are 3 billion shares available in the stock market, Tesla's share price will be set at $29,000 per share. Of course, 2030 is still some years away, and in 7 years, several things can change, even though investors may not believe that Tesla can make up to $10,000 in profit per vehicle by 2030. And so, owning Tesla shares may require some level of imagination to really see what could be possible. Things could change if it becomes more evident that Tesla can hit these ludicrous numbers, assuming all the factors mentioned in the scenario are in place. Several investors are not factoring in the potential value of the Tesla bot, which could explode higher in value when Tesla demonstrates its true earning potential. Tesla's potential earnings for Optimus, combined with the exponential growth potential of Tesla in its other businesses, could mean that the company's valuation could rise to unforeseen heights shortly. Fortunately, despite the skepticism surrounding the Optimus robot, the most imaginative investors are the ones who are willing to follow along with Elon Musk, sharing the excitement of what has been received and reserved for science fiction, and bringing it into reality. The world is evolving at an unprecedented pace, and with that comes new opportunities and technologies that were once thought impossible. With companies like Tesla that are willing to explore global technology, Much more interesting innovations can be expected in the coming years. According to experts, robots will increase economic growth and productivity and will create new career opportunities for many people worldwide. However, there are still warnings about massive job losses due to the massive use of artificial intelligence. Analysis forecasts losses of 20 million manufacturing jobs by 2030, stating that about 30% of all jobs could be automated by this year. What are your thoughts on Tesla's move towards AI? Let us know down below. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.